Welcome back to everyone under original fashion photography session where every pose, every moment and every camera angle creates a completely different visual story. Today we are following a model through a creating photo shoot designed around natural movement, confident expressions, changing perspectives and modern fashion aesthetics. The session begins with a clean background and soft lighting, giving the model a simple space to establish the mood. She starts in a relaxed standing position, keeping her shoulders natural and shifting and weight sliding from one side to the other. The photographer captures a few frames while he looks directly into the camera, then slowly changes her expression, moving from a neutral look to a subtle smile before looking slightly away from the lens. These small changes may seem simple but they can completely transform the feeling of the portrait. The photographer then changes the camera position and the model turns her body into a three-quarter angle while keeping her face toward the lens. One shoulder moves stylishly closer to the camera, creating more depth in the composition, while her hands remain relaxed and natural. Instead of holding one pose for too long, she continues making small movements, turning her head, adjusting her posture, and changing the direction of her eyes. Few movement gives the photographer another opportunity to capture a fresh frame. The scene then becomes more dynamic as the model begins walking toward the camera. Rather than stopping for every photograph, she moves naturally through the space while the photographer captures the moment between each step. Her posture remains confident, her expression changes naturally and the moment of her output adds energy to the sequence. The photographer experiments with different camera heights, first shooting from a lower angle to create a strong editorial feel, then returning to eye level for a more personal perspective. After the walking sequence, the model moves and beside a textured wall allowing the environment to become part of the composition. She stands close to the wall, turns slightly toward and then looks back toward the camera. A small step forward changes the framing, while another step backward gives the photographer more space. The photographer uses the lines and textures in the background to create depth, showing how a simple location can become much more interesting when the subject interacts natural with it. The camera then moves closer for a series of portrait shots. At this point, the body remains almost completely still and the focus shifts toward the facial expression. The model looks directly into the lens, then slightly above it, then toward the side, creating three completely different looks from almost the same position. A small change in the angle of her chin creates another variation, while a subtle head turn changes the way light falls across her face. The photographer continues capturing these details, creating a collection of portraits that feel calm, polished and cinematic. The next sequence introduces controlled movement again. The model slowly turns from one direction to another while keeping her eyes connected with the camera. Instead of waiting for her to finish each movement, the photographer captures the transition between positions. These in-between moments often create some of the most natural fashion images because they feel less rehearsed and more spontaneous. She takes a step, positions her shoulders, changes direction and continues move while the camera follows her rhythm. The session then changes to a seated editorial setup. The model takes a relaxed seated position while maintaining confident posture. The photographer experiments with the camera height, first looking slightly from above, then moving to eye level and finally trying a lower perspective. The model changes the direction of her shoulders and head while keeping her movement subtle. The model stands in an open area while the photographer observes the direction of the light. She slowly turns until the light falls naturally across her face, then begins walking through the scene. Instead of forcing complicated poses, she allows the environment to guide her movement. She looks toward the surroundings, takes a few steps, pauses, and then turns back toward the camera. The photographer captures two wide environmental photographs and closure portraits, giving the sequence a mixture of skill and emotion. The next part of the session focuses on small details. The camera moves closer to capture an adjustment of the outfit, a relaxed hand movement, the texture of an accessory, and a brief change in expression. These details frame create a visual break between the larger portraits and make the final sequence feel more cinematic. They also show that fashion photograph isn't always about photography the complete look. Sometimes one small detail can communicate the atmosphere of an entire scene. After the closure of details, the photographer creates a strong editorial setup. The model stands tall with relaxed shoulders and a focused expression. She slowly turns from one side to the other while the camera captures different silhouettes. The lighting becomes more dramatic, creating strong contrast and a more sophisticated mood. The photographer begins with a wide frame to establish the location, moves closer for a medium composition that highlights the outfit and posture, and finally captures the close-up focus on the model expression. Three different camera distance create three different stories from the same setup. The mood then becomes relaxed again as the model moves naturally through the location. These lifestyle photographs are intentionally lens structured. They make the session feel like a real moment rather than a collection of perfectly rehearsed poses. As the shoot approaches its finally sequence, the model returns to the original background. The photographer begins with a wide shot, then gradually moves closer. The model makes one slow turn, pauses, looks away for a moment, and finally brings her eyes back toward the lens. Great pausing isn't necessarily about memorizing complicated